Hi everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late Travel. At the moment, just walking down to have a look at the Three Mermaids cafe and restaurant, which is close to my hotel. I've seen some interesting reviews on Facebook and other media outlets, and thought it'd be well worth going down and having a look. And we're just about at the doorway, and pleased to say that they started to dress the outside area ready for Christmas. So we'll let you have a look at that, and we'll have a walk down and see if we can get in to actually film a little bit for you. And very nice backdrop to the restaurant and the cafe. Quite a few nice Christmas trees there, artificial of course. At least somebody's trying to make something of a festive season this year. So let's see if we can go in and have a look, see what's happening. How are you? Sumadi Mai? Thank you. Well, let's say it's a very bright and colourful entrance. The old Mini here reminds me of something from the 60s. And this room here, I believe to be the air-conditioned cafe. And as you can see, there's many tables in there, so befitting for many customers. And our first view of the Mermaid, what a stunning feature. The way that they've actually lit the water up is absolutely beautiful, and the night time just enhances it all, to be honest. I've seen a few people on the hands taking pictures and selfies, and must make for a stunning array of pictures for everybody. And this is another smaller side of the cafe with the very colourful lights. Actually, in the evening, this mermaid's head looks absolutely stunning. It's quite mesmerising, really, to look at it. There is a live band playing in the background, but unfortunately I've had to cut all the music out because of potential copyright issues. I've made videos before with 10 seconds of background music, and had to basically revamp the whole video. So going up these steps, I'm quite surprised to see just actually how big this complex is. It's very large. It's taken me by surprise, actually. And even more surprising, it's actually got a swimming pool in here, or some large water feature. Maybe not deep enough for actually swimming, but very effective feature. And The seating area comprises of a kind of a bird's nest that's suspended on metal poles. Very effective feature. Could probably sit about 7 or 8 people in there. Nighttime you get the benefit of having the different lighting arrangements, and by day you would have the stunning views out to sea. And another view of the swimming pool or water feature below. Very colourful. I've actually seen some of the food that's been delivered to the tables, and to be honest, it looks fabulous. So I might take the opportunity to eat while I'm here. And a close-up of the bird's nest seating area. You can see actually how big it is. Probably get more than 7 people in there, you might get 10 actually. And a view down to below, and if it was daylight you would actually see Cosy Beach, but night time obviously impossible to see it. And actually in the water they've got a kind of a couple of surfboards, so presumably people will be playing on them during the day. To be honest, I don't think it's that deep for swimming, but it'll be certainly okay for trying to get onto the surfboard. Yeah, overall, a fantastic place to come and spend a few hours. You can just see under this thatch roof another view of the pool below and alternative seating areas. And as you look around, the place is very busy this evening, so they must do a good turnover during the day, and with the effects of COVID and businesses not doing a lot, it's good to see that some places are actually thriving, and this appears to be one of them. This appears to be the wine area, where you can actually go make a selection of wine if you choose to do that. And another view there of the cafe, which I presume does coffee and cakes. And another good view there of the water features. Fantastic the way it all lights up at night, and people can just sit around it and just enjoy a decent meal. And there we have a bit of a close-up of the surfboard. Well, I must say it was an absolute pleasure to actually walk around this venue. So back to have a final look at the Mermaid before we start heading home. Surprisingly, some people still arriving, although it's getting late. Absolutely fantastic, that place. I don't know whether this mini is an original one or it's one that's just manufactured for a showcase. To be honest, I have no idea. Have a young lady here enjoying herself and taking selfies. Fair play to her. And this is the side of the restaurant cafe that overlooks to the sea. And with that, we'll say goodbye to the Three Mermaids Cafe and Restaurant. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry that I had to cut out the live music, but there's no real alternative. I hope that the backing music I've put in doesn't drive you crazy. So thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell for upcoming videos. Please leave comments and leave a like. When people see it, it does draw their attention to my video, and it helps my channel to grow. So with that, thank you very much, my friends, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.